Hello everyone. I want to show you the test I'm doing now with the same circuit. Everything remain the same, except I put the second high voltage probe. So let me show you. My setup is the high voltage probe on 1 and 2, monitoring L2 on top and L4 right there, the pink, and I'm monitoring the two currents, the L3, which is this, and L4, which is this. So basically I'm not monitoring the MOSFET. I'm monitoring only the voltage and the current. And let me show you. That's the consumption, 27 volt 0.8 multiplied by 2 and time 0.5 amps. And this is the result so far. This is the frequency I'm running, 35, and the peak to peak voltage of the L2 is 3.3 kilovolt. The output voltage is 600 volt, and the peak to peak amps for the load on load 3.6 amps. I'm using the heater for the fridge, and it's 84 degrees. Now I want you to watch while I'm changing the frequency, the shape of the variant. You see, this is at 42 now. The peak to peak drop down, and also the amps and the output. If I go lower frequency at 33, 34, the amps climb to 4 amps peak to peak, and the voltage too, and the consumption too. So that's the thing. Let me this is if I go too much down, so the highest point is here, 34 kilohertz. The C3 here is 10 nano, and the C2 is 131 nano. The others are 0.76 microfarad, all the other C's, the capacitors. So this is the result so far. I need to check the L3 with the L2, because I don't like the shape. I wanted to make it much better than this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off everything except the L3, just to let you to see what I'm doing. So you'll see that bump, the amplification. So now the scale is on 1 amp, and I'm gonna vary the frequency. Sorry. See, this is less consumption now, but also the output current is less also, of course. So, but you see the bumping here. This is the. But if I brought the voltage of the output, if I aim for the highest voltage, then this will be it here, 57. If I go lower frequency, see that big bump there? Huge pump. Oppa! You heard that? That must be the MOSFET. I'll check it out.